Looks like a fun one. Can you find the area of this green semicircle? Join me to figure this out. Hi there, I'm Neil, and in today's video, I'm gonna cover another challenging geometry question. Let's dive in. As you can see, the area of this red circle is 8, and we have this equilateral triangle, and we are looking for the area of this green semicircle. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to call the radius of this small circle lowercase r and the radius of the big one uppercase R. And now we know that the area of any circle is pi r squared, and here we have lowercase r, and we know that the area is 8. So I'm gonna use this one further. So far so good. And then we know that I have this equilateral triangle, and all these three sides are tangent to these two circles. Okay, so if this is the center of this circle, I'm gonna draw the radius, and we know that the radius of any circle is perpendicular to the tangent line in point of tangency. So we have right angle here. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the altitude of this equilateral triangle. Let's call this A, B. And we know that one of the properties of equilateral triangle is that all three angles are equal in size. 180 degrees over 3 is 60 degrees for each angle. Okay, and AB, which is the altitude, bisects this angle A and cut this in half. So this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, so as you can see, we have this triangle here, and this is a right angled triangle. So in triangle AHO, we have 30 degrees for this angle, and we know that in any right angle triangle, the opposite side to 30 degrees, which is OH, is half of the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse here is OA, and OH is the radius is R, so we found that OA is twice R, which is 2R. Okay, so this part is 2R. And the same story for the radius of green semicircle. I'm gonna draw this radius, which is perpendicular to tangent line in point of tangency. I can call this point C. So C is a right angle. So in triangle ACB here, so this angle is 30 degrees. The opposite side, which is BC, is half of hypotenuse. And how we can find hypotenuse? Hypotenuse here is AB because it's opposite 90 degrees. So AB. And because BC is uppercase R, so AB is twice R. So far so good. Okay, we don't need this. I'm gonna find some space. Okay, so we found that AB is 2R, this one. So you can see that AB consists 3 parts. The first one is OA, which is 2R, plus this part which is radius r, plus this part, which is radius uppercase R, equals 2r. 2r plus r is 3r, and I'm going to subtract r from both sides. So 3r is r. So instead of r, we have uppercase R over 3. Okay, so I'm going to use this for finding the area of this semicircle. Okay. Area of green semicircle is half of pi r squared. Okay, half of pi. So we have uppercase R here, and we know that, so I can use this one. R is 3r. So I'm going to substitute 3r instead of uppercase R. So 3r squared. So 9r squared, 9r squared, p over 2. So we know that pi r squared we calculated before, which is 8. So instead of this one, I'm going to use 8. So 9 times 8 over 2. So the final answer is 36 units squared for area of this green semicircle. Our final answer. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.